All right, welcome everyone. So my name is Wonha Paulson. I'm actually the developer of this platform. I'm also your tutor, your trainer on this Python course. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can actually get started with this course and also how you can join the challenge. So I will be creating a new account as somebody who is just new to the platform. And I'll also be using another account that has bought the Python course to join the challenge. Okay. So now, when you open your browser, when you open this website on your phone, this is what you're going to see. Okay. So basically, we are going to see this, and we said that you can actually use your phone to run this to take this course. Why? Because we have a code editor. Okay, we have a code editor. Let me refresh this page. The page didn't load very well. So we have a code editor. All right. So this is the code editor. Now, the first time you come here, you're actually going to see that the language that is selected here is JavaScript. So whenever you want to start to write your code, if you want to write your code in Python, all you have to do is to click on this JavaScript, then you select from the languages we have here. So if you want to write Python, just click on Python. So you can actually type in anything here. Okay. All right. This hasn't loaded well. My network, it hasn't loaded well. The editor has not loaded very well. Okay, so let me check the other browser that I have. Okay. So, all right, this is what I was trying to show you. Okay. So if you type in any Python code here, all right. So I have this Python code. All right. I created a list and I'm sorting the list and I'm printing the list. So if I click on run, and come down, all right, I'm going to see the output of this code. So with this, you can actually use your phone to take this course. You can write your code on this code editor and you can run it, okay? So that is it. Now, let me go back to the other browser. So how do you get started? First of all, you need to sign up. So click on this menu icon, these three lines, click on it, all right? You click on sign up, okay? So I'm going to create a new account. I will just create this account, C, let me just say challenge at gmail.com. All right, my password is going to be whatever it could be. I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'll have to confirm my password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I can click on continue. So if I click on continue, it's going to create my account for me, and it says my sign up was successful. Okay, so now if I can actually since I am signed up now, I can actually go for these courses. So if I scroll down, all right, if I scroll down, you can see all the courses down here. So you can go and select Python, all right, select Python. So when you select Python, it will bring you to this page, all right. Oh, sorry about this, refresh the page. If this happens, just refresh the page. It's not a problem, okay. So click on start for free. All right. So if you click on start for free, it will now bring you to the Python course. Now, the way our courses are structured is this. Every course has some chapters, and every chapter has some sessions. So for every session, we are discussing a concept about the particular chapter. So now, before I show you how you can pay for this course, let me show you the courses. Now, this is the first chapter of this course, Introduction to Python. And it contains 4 sessions and it is 89 minutes long. So you can actually like it, okay? You can actually rate it, all right? You can rate it, okay? And you can actually type in your comment or view other people's comments, okay? You can actually view other people's comments or you type your own. So now, this is the chapter, but the sessions are not available here. So what you have to do is this. Click on the menu icon. If you click on the menu icon, this drawer will come up, okay? Then this is where you see These are the chapters. These are the things you'll be learning in this course. All these things are the things you'll be learning in this course, okay? So you have to start with the first chapter, all right? So if you want to access the sessions in each chapter, all right, you have to click on this small drop-down arrow to expand it. Once you click on it, it will open it for you. So you can now click on what is Python. That's the first section there. If you click on what is Python, it will open the session for you. Now, this is the session that has a video. Now, the classes are recorded in this video, okay? So for me to take this class now, I will just have to play this video. I'll play this video and watch it from beginning till the end.
All right.
So,
welcome to our new course.
So you can actually pause it, you can expand it however you want to. So after watching the video till the end, you have to scroll down. Then the code editor is also here in case you want to write any code, but you have to scroll down. After watching the video, you must write a test. You can also like it, you can also rate it, okay? And you can also write your own comment, but you must take this test. For you to pass this class, you must take this test and you have to pass it. So all I have to do is to answer the questions, all right? Answer the questions and click on submit. If you click on submit, it will now, it will mark the test for you and tell you your score. If you score anything less than 6 and below, you did not pass it. The pass mark is 7 and above. So you must score up to 7. In case you do not understand something, you didn't get the answers correctly, please reach out to us for more clarification. We provide you with personal coaching and personal mentoring, okay? So you must write this test and pass it. If you don't pass it, you cannot go to the next session. So look at what will happen if I try to go to the next session. Without writing the test or completing this session, if I try to go to the next session, it will tell me that I can't access it because I have not completed the previous session. So I have to complete the previous session, so I have to go back, okay? Now, another way of accessing the next session is clicking on the menu icon, expanding on the chapter, all right? Then you click on the second one. But first of all, you have to complete the first one, okay? So that is how it works. Now, after taking all the classes, all the sections here, whenever you finish the last section of a chapter, you'll be redirected to the chapter page, okay? This is the chapter page for the first one. Then, if you have passed all the sections in this chapter, you're going to see another quick test here. It is not available because we actually program it this way so that you don't come and write the test without completing the last session of the chapter. So you need to also write the test for this chapter for you to access the next chapter. So when you finish the last session of this chapter, you're going to access the next chapter. When you access the test for this chapter, so try to write it. The pass mark is also 7. But if you try to access the next chapter without without writing the test for the previous chapter, look at what it will tell you. It says previous chapter is not completed. So we are locking everything here. You cannot access it until you finish the previous chapter. Okay? All right. So now that's by the way. Now, how do you make your payment? You can see here 0% paid, 0 naira paid, and 0 chapters paid for. But the thing is this, the first 2 chapters are for free. So you can actually start without making payment, you can start the first chapter and the second chapter. Why this second chapter is locked is because the first chapter have not been completed. So how do you make payment? You can actually click on anywhere you see enroll for 10,000 naira, click on it. So if I click on it, I close this one, it will take me to this page. So it will ask me to pay from my wallet or pay with PayStar. You would have money in your wallet when you start referring people, when you start telling people about our platform. If you tell them about our platform and they come and buy our course, we will give you some commission. So those commissions will be accumulating in your wallet. But for now, you don't have anything in your wallet. So you have to click on pay with PayStar. So once you click on pay with PayStar, it will bring you to this page. All right, once it brings you to this page, you just have to type in 10,000 naira. All right, then click on pay with PayStar. It will open a different browser. All right, it will open a different browser. So once you are done with this payment, just follow the instruction. It's either you enter your card or you do transfer or use USSD or use OPay, anyone that you choose to. What's their name again? pay stack would actually guide you. Once you're done, because I'm not going to make this payment, I'm going to cancel this browser. So once you successfully make the payment, close the browser, or if you're using a mobile phone, just click on the back button. So it will take you back to the page. So if I close this browser, it will take me back to the chapter, to the course page. You see, it has redirected me to the course page. And it's going to tell me, because I didn't make this payment, and I'm not saying there's nothing here, okay? But of course, if you make the payment, you will no longer see this enroll for 10,000 naira. You no longer see it. And again, you would also not see this again. But then you will not see 100% paid for. You see 10,000 naira and you see 15 chapters paid for, okay? So now let me show you an account that has actually paid for this course. So I'll go to this one. All right, so I'm just going to sign in. I'm going to sign in into this one. Okay, I'm already signed in. So I can just go to my dashboard. So if you go to your dashboard, you will see all the courses that you have paid for. So in progress, I have paid for 6 courses. So for your own, you will see 1 course. Okay. So I would have to select, go down, and I can go to Python here. So I click on Python, but for your own, you would only see Python because that's what you have paid for. So I click on Python. It will take me to the Python class. So I will expand. All right, I'll click on the menu icon. Then this is how it is going to show you. It is going to show you that it will show you 100% paid for, 10,000 naira and 15 chapters paid for. Now, you are seeing this participant because I have actually joined the challenge. All right, I have actually joined the challenge. But let me also show you, if once you make your payment, all right, you will, instead of seeing participant, you're going to see join. What you will see is join challenge. Okay, instead of participant, you see join challenge. Then once you click on join challenge, it will tell you that it will register you for the challenge and redirect you to the page. So let me show you with an account that this account has been registered for this challenge. So let me show you an account that haven't been registered. So I will go back to the other account I opened. All right. I will go back to home. All right. I will click on this menu icon on the home page and I'll click on challenges. So if I click on these challenges, I'm actually going to see this is the challenge that we are running. Okay. This is the date for the challenge. It will start on the April 8th and end on the May 8th. Okay. So 41 days remaining, 7 hours, 50 minutes remaining. So if you click on more, learn more, all right, it will take you down here. Now you can see it says join challenge. Now, wherever you see this join challenge, if you click on it, if you have not paid for this course, it will redirect you to the course page for you to go and pay for it. But if you have paid for the course, it will just sign you in, register you for the challenge, and then redirect you to the challenge page. So if I click on this night, it's not because I have not paid for this course, it will take me back to the course page. So I will go back to the account that has actually paid for this course. So now, if you have paid for this course, you're going to see join challenge instead of participant. And once you click on it, it will take you to the page. Now, let me show you what the page looks like. So if I click on participant, it will take me to the challenge page. Now, this is the username. This is my username. And I have completed a session and I scored 10 in that session. So that's my point. And I've just completed 1 session. And I have completed 0 chapters and I have not completed the full course. So now the person with the highest point will come first. So we are sorting this thing based on the number of points you have. So the top people with the highest points will be on the top. So now let me also show you, if I go back to go and take, if I go and take another, let me go and write a test and complete a session, I'll come back here and you see the update. So when I go back, I'll go back to my dashboard and I will go to Python. I'll go to Python. All right. Then I'm going to take another test, another session. So I have completed the first session. So let me go for the second session. So if I click on hi So this is the second session. So after watching the video, I'm going to write a test. So I'll just go straight down to the test. All right. Then click on quick test. So I'll answer the questions. So which of these following is a high interpreted general purpose Python? What does it mean to be high level? Close to machine learning, difficult to understand. Abstract away, okay. All right. Which of the following is not interpret C++? What's the key advantage of interpreted languages? Oops. The interpreted languages is that debugging and quick testing. Which of the following is an example of an interpreter? So C, Python. What does general purpose mean? Wide range of applications. Which of the languages is commonly used for both web and script in Python? JavaScript is considered as an interpreted language. Which of the following is not consists of high-level languages provided that executed by hardware? What allows interpreted language to be highly portable? They rely on interpreter. Okay, so I'll click on submit. Let me see what I score. I hope I score 10 over 10. All right, my score is 10. And then there's a congratulation message here, all the flowers for me. So I have completed another session. Okay, so now if I go back to the challenge now, I'll click on participant, the button of the participant. It will take me back to the challenge. And it's going to update my point. So it will update my point. You see, it has updated my point. Now I now have 20 points because the first session I scored 10 over 10. Second session I scored another 10. So it has updated my point. And you can see I now have completed 2 sessions. So basically, this is how it works. So if you have any question, please reach out to your course rep, and your course rep will also reach out to me. We also have created a WhatsApp group for this challenge. So once you make your payment, the course rep will, once you actually make payment for this course and join the challenge, reach out to your course rep. Your course rep will also let you know. I send you the link to join the WhatsApp group. So thank you very much, and I will see you guys later.